Why do you need apple juice? I told you. What did I tell you to do?
To put this in the fridge.
Then why are you asking me if you can have it? If I wanted you to have it, I would have said, Jordan, go ahead and have this apple juice. But I said, Jordan, put this in the fridge.
'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Morning, guys. Sorry. Anyways, today is Sunday, and we are going to we have a picnic at our church. So we are, of course, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning and it's at 11, but my husband has to he has to be there. He has to go pick up the grill because he's grilling, because you know he likes to grill. And he's gonna go pick up the grill and get things started. And I have to dress Maddie because she's still sleeping. We got home late from church yesterday. We went to Walmart, got a tent, all of that fun stuff, like, and just to make it fun for the kids. And we got a bunch of stuff. So we got home late, so Maddie is sleeping like there's no tomorrow, like, and I'm like so scared to wake her up because she's like really tired. But I have to get her dressed, and we gotta get out of here before my husband become irritated, because when he's irritated, he's not the nicest person. Well, he's not calm. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about. He gets irritated when we're late. So I'm gonna get going, and I will see you guys there. We're here, and this is our dear brother. I'm good, how are you?
That buzzer beater from 20 feet out.
Making progress.
All the time. Is that great? Volkswagen at the Volkswagen model year. Room for the 28.
He did all of this. We got the stuff out of here. And then he did all of this. He took the weeds out of here. He said he got paid. He found a little penny. Is that a penny? No, that's a dime. Right there. So God paid him a dime. It's funny. It's very funny and sweet. He's our sweet little dear brother Dixon. Hi, Maddie. Say hi. So, my husband is like setting up. I'm gonna show you guys what he did so far. Good job, Jordan. Let me show you his tiny little grill that he went to pick up. It is so tiny.
And heavy. Look, it really looks heavy.
The tiny little grill.
Hey, I can grill.
We got the tent. We got the kiddos ready to play, always. We got the music set up down there. And hopefully we can get some food going too. Because we're late starting, so. Where's that table going, honey? Over there? On the grass?
Huh?
On the grass?
Yeah, on the grass.
Okay.
One more going this way.
On the, one more here? Do it!
You could. Wait, where's the ball?
What are the hoops for?
So they can throw into play. Throw the ball to
That was so random.
That's not random. Hi. Ah.
You have to stay back. There's glare from the...
Daddy, what would happen if you would be...
There's some real horses in there.
It'll be like that.
You got it?
Yeah.
Daddy, if you hot...
Real horses, guys. Look at the little tail. Look at the tail. Oh my gosh.
Hey, dude, if I
No, the kids actually enjoyed
man,
the burgers.
if they give me ahead of time and I season the chicken, dude,
It would have been nice if we had
and a big, nice
we had
big
more
burger.
advance notice. We could have prepared more, but we did the best we could with what we had, and that's all that mattered. Because yeah, anyways, so the first burger that we did today at church went to this this guy that we met at the gas station. We went to put gas in the generator, and my husband met this guy at the gas station, and he saw the grill in the back of the truck. He saw the grill in the back of the pickup truck, and he was like, "Oh man, you guys are barbecuing today?" And my husband was like, "Yeah, you can come on over." He was like, "We're gonna be at the church across the street," because the gas station is right across the street from our church. So he did come over, and he came over when we were setting up, and then he asked if we had anything ready because he was really hungry, and we were like, "No, but you could come back in like an hour." He came back in an hour, and we still hadn't set up anything because we didn't have any lighter fluid, and I had to light the charcoal from scratch, like from, you know, chip really dry tree branches and cardboard, and it was a struggle to get that fire started. But once I started it, he actually sat around with us and waited, and he got the first burger. So that was like, oh man, you know, it was excited to give the first burger to someone that, you know, we don't really associate with on a regular basis. And he was so happy to have something to eat. You know, he was surprised that we actually had, you know, real meat, because he was talking to me about Seventh-day Adventists and stuff, and he knows. That's the thing, they know what it is that we teach and practice, and they shy away from it based off of the fact that they feel like we're so pushy. And he was surprised that we actually was serving real meat, you know, and he ate it and he went, even though he left in a hurry. He was like, I need to get away from these people. No, but whatever.
Nice stand for band. He listened to
he listened to the music, and he was actually singing and tapping his legs, because we were playing gospel music, and he was like tapping his legs and singing. And I was like, you know, it's good that we were able to, you know, minister to him, because that's a form of ministry. So that was exciting. You know, you get a high, like a natural high from, you know, socializing with people, you know, and it's, you don't have to get high from drugs and alcohol and all of that foolishness. You know, you get it from being around people. So I got my high for the whole week, month, you know. Who knows how long before we meet up back with anyone and do anything like this. So hey, I'm gonna soak it up. Yeah, my microchip.
Yeah, you almost lost it.
My micro SD.
Yeah, you almost lost
Say
it.
hi, Maddie. Say hi, Sunshine. Oh, that was a beautiful smile. So we're back in the house. Unload everything that was in the truck. So now my living room looked like chaos. Like someone. Oh, Maddie. Maddie. Behave yourself. I'm waiting for you to behave, Miss Lady. Yes, I'm waiting. You gonna behave? You gonna behave, or you want pop out? You want pop out? You showing off, aren't you? So we're back in the house, and I have to put everything away, and I have to make my husband something to eat because he didn't eat, and he just went to park the truck. So oh, my feet hurt, my body hurts, and the last thing I want to do right now is put away things, because we've been out of the house all weekend long. So it was fun though. It was fun. It was really fun. This thing here. Hey, hey. Look at this. Hey, where you going? Cut. Come back here. Cut. Cut. Come back. Come back. Come back, Maddie. Hello, Tutu. So, I don't want this child to crawl off the... Look at Maddie. She's trying to crawl on the chair. Honey, you gonna start putting things away?
Yeah.
Go help Daddy. Go help Daddy. I'm coming. Help Daddy get all the food and stuff. And then we have to put back the stuff on the table back over there by the office. Come on, help, guys. Jaxson. Jaxson. Come here. You're seriously gonna be in timeout.
Oh.
If you don't cut it out.
Want me the food? Yeah.
The food in that box. This way. This way. Can you cut it out, please? What are you having the attitude for?
Ow.
Huh? Because Daddy told you to get off the tablet? You've been on it since we got in the truck on the way here. That's enough. You're 5 years old. You don't need to be consumed with technology. You need to play and explore your world. Be creative, like Maddie over here. Look at Maddie. Maddie's exploring her world. She's exploring her world and she's being creative by stuffing her diaper bag in her mouth. I don't know why, but she's being creative. She don't know nothing about technology. And if you keep up with that cry, you're gonna earn yourself 5 minutes in your room. Or you're gonna go take a shower and go to bed. There's no reason for you to be crying.
They're hot. They really are.
So go help your sibling over there. Look at them. They look like they're having a lot of fun. Go help them. Maddie, you dare not climb off this couch. Come here. Come here. Babe, can you take her down? She think I'm playing. Get her little butt, please. Madison Aaliyah. Jaxson. Jaxson. You have to stop. I'm not going to tell you again or else you go to your room, okay? Alright. And then all your dirty clothes go in the laundry so I can wash them tomorrow. Maddie.
How about hot dog bun?
Maddie.
Hot dog bun, mommy?
Hot dog bun
Fridge?
in the fridge.
How about the garlic bread?
Wherever. Put the hot wherever they fit. In the freezer, fridge, wherever it fits. Madison. Hey baby. But anyways, I'm not gonna bore you guys. That's it. I was recording and then I got so busy because my husband got pulled away from the grill. So I had the barbecue and I couldn't barbecue, grill, watch children, music, everything. It was just
50 things at a time. So you just do that.
no.
There's another, guys, there's another child named Destiny with the same hairstyle and the same age.
Go ahead.
There's a different girl named Destiny with the same hairstyle and the same age, but she was 8 and I was 8.5.
So you met another Destiny?
Yeah.
It was kind of funny to meet another Destiny. There's another Jason at our church.
3.
3 Jasons? 2. You and the other one.
Wait, one Jason, and one Jason.
3.
Yeah, 3 Jasons. Me, Jason, and Jason.
Oh, okay.
It's hard. It's confusing.
We only have one Destiny, but we have a Destiny that visits from out of town every so often. So.
But it's hard for people.
Maddie, what are you doing, baby?
Where's that
Am I spooling my wall?
Gallery.
It's in the. Can you guys finish, please?
It's in the.
Please. Thank you. I shouldn't have to beg. Maddie, car seat needs to be emptied. So her bag for her church diaper bag needs to go over here with her things.
Oh my goodness.
And her car seat needs to go on this base. Someone needs to take that charcoal
I'm not doing
Take that charcoal.
It's not. Wait.
I have Daddy take this off, or one of the boys take the charcoal off of there. What are you looking at, honey?
No, I was trying to see what you was going to do with the charcoal.
Oh, I don't know. Let me go help these people. So this is gonna be vlog for Monday, tomorrow Monday. Usually, this is what I do. I'm gonna tell you guys what I do. I record all through the day, and then I edit and give it to you guys, so it's like fresh, you know. Nobody wanna watch a bunch of stale videos. But today is Sunday, so I'm gonna edit this tonight and have it up for you guys early tomorrow, which is Monday. So you guys have it to watch all day on Monday, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching our videos, and as always, what do I always say? I forgot.
You say sunshine.
No.
No, you said sunshine.
Let's do it again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
And comment down below and subscribe.
And no, I don't usually say that.
If you're new,
I don't know. What did I?
to this channel.
Oh, there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe. What is it? Subscribe?
Yeah.
No, hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys on Wednesday.
Stop doing it so fast. Like.
Oh, okay. Well, my daughter said I'm doing it too fast. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys on Wednesday. Bye.